Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an unboxing and a what to expect video for the Y1 action camera waterproof case kit. Now this is a complete kit. It has the action camera and the waterproof case kit also. So this is one of MI's budget waterproof action camera, so you can actually use it in different ways. The adapters are same. I'll talk about that later. I'll show you other cameras also, and we'll be doing a comparison too, a little bit small comparison in the same price range. Now I got this from AliExpress. It's not available in India through MI. You can get it through other providers, but I got it from AliExpress, so I paid somewhere around less than 3,000 rupees for this. So for less than 3,000 rupees, an action camera is pretty good. So let's go ahead and see what all do we get with this box. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box and see what all do we get with this. Now I have already opened it, tested the device, gone through all the menus so that I can explain to you what it is. So let's just open it up again. Now that's how the box is. So you get the waterproof case, you get the attachment which actually attaches over here, which I'll show you that later on. You get one battery and a regular micro USB data cable, so you can use this to charge the device or to transfer data. Now this is the actual action cam. Now the camera is pretty small. You have a big power button over here and the mode selection button here. You have the lens. Now this goes to 2K. It's not a 4K device, so it goes to 2K, but the video quality is good. Now at the bottom you have LED light over here, notification light over here, and you have a horseshoe here. Now let me just turn this. Okay, on this side you have the Wi-Fi button. So when you switch on the device, you have to then switch on the Wi-Fi, and then you can connect this to the phone. Ideally, when you switch it on, the Wi-Fi does not turn on by itself. You will have to switch it on yourself. Now on top you have a microphone and the power button over here, sorry, the shutter button over here. So just next to the shutter button is the LED which blinks. Like it'll be solid if it's on, and it'll start blinking if the recording starts. On this side there's nothing. And now let's look at the back. So you put the battery in here. So this is the battery compartment. Now it's pretty easy to slide in the battery, so no connection, no nothing. It's direct. You just keep it like this over here and just goes in, and then this cover pushes it down and keeps it down. So it's pretty stable. There's no creak, no nothing. Everything, the quality is very nice. Now let's look at the ports. So these are the ports. So you have the micro SD card over here, the micro USB charging and data cable connection over here, and the micro HDMI connection over here. So you can directly connect it to the TV or whatever and then watch stuff there too. Just be careful about this cover because it's not connected to it, so as soon as you open it, separates completely. So just don't misplace that. Now let's put this back like this. Okay, so that's the way this looks like. Now it's pretty sturdy. Now I've used it for 2 days and the results are pretty good. Now you cannot compare it with a 4K video or a GoPro and stuff. Now these are budget action cams, so you cannot compare it with GoPros, but for the price it's really good. Let's talk about that later on. Let's actually see how to fit all of this together. Now this is the waterproof case. All you have to do is put this in here. That's it. Now close the lid, put it like this, and then that's it. So it's that easy. So it's so easy that I actually can open it and close it with one hand. So now these are the two attachments. So these are the only two attachments you get with this, nothing else. So you do not get a tripod with it, so you'll have to get a tripod or a selfie stick or all these things separate. Now all you have to do is put this in like this. Now depending on how you want to mount it, if you want to mount it like this way, if you want to mount it the other way, you can mount it the other way too. So it's it's on your personal preference. So however you want to mount it, just put this in, and then the screw goes in from here. Just have to adjust this a little to reach the right spot, and then tighten it, and that's it. So it's done. So it's that easy. Now let me just put a tripod and show you. and that's it. So that's a tripod connection. You can put it on a tripod or you can put it on a selfie stick or whatever you feel like. Now these are universal connections. So if you have another GoPro or another action cam, most of them have similar connection. Now I have actually tried putting this ones over here and it works. So they are universal, so you won't have a problem with that. Now let's go ahead and compare. Now one thing I've seen is this is a budget cam. This is SJ Cam M20, which goes to 4K video recording. Now this one does not have 4K, it just has 2K video recording. So we'll be looking at the menu, we'll be looking at the screen, the menu options that you get, and then we'll be talking about that too. So we'll not be talking about this much, but we'll be talking about this one. Now there's no screen, there's a big back over here, no screen. So it's a little disappointing that I can't really see anything on this, but for 2008 or below 3000 an action cam, I won't really complain, because they'll have to cut down on some things to make a product that cheap. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.